Hi, I am Naim A. Malabo, a third-year BSc student from Section B. Recently, I took two tests, a personality test and an IQ test, and they helped me understand myself more deeply, both as a student and as a person. My personality results showed that I have high natural reaction, scoring 92. It means I feel emotions strongly, stress, excitement, and even anxiety. But it also means I'm emphatic and sensitive to others, which help me connect and understand people better. My conscientiousness and agreeableness were both low, around 4. That tells me I am independent minded and not always consistent with routines. But I am honest, direct, and driven when I'm passionate about something. My extroversion score of 32 show that I am quiet and reflective, someone who prefers meaningful conversation over big crowds. And my openness at 30 reminds me that I like learning, but I find comfort in things that I feel familiar and purposeful. And now, my IQ test show me score between 116 and 132, placing me the above average range. It tells me that I'm capable of deep thinking, problem solving, and logical reasoning, skill that I see every day in my work as a computer science student. But I also realized that intelligence isn't just about numbers or scores. It's about how I use it with focus, emotion, and purpose. My personality gives me empathy and my intelligence gives me clarity. Together they balance who I am. This result reminded me that I'm not defined by data or test scores, but by how I grow from them. I'm learning to balance my heart and my mind, my emotion and my logic.